Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today I'm gonna make aloo ka paratha. To make the aloo ka parota, I've taken one onion and some smally chopped chilies and 3 smashed aloo. Now to a pan, I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna add in the chopped onions and green chili. And we are going to saute it till the onions are cooked. Now the onions are cooked. I'm putting in the mashed potato. Now I added the potato. Now I'm going to add in a tablespoon of salt and jeera. Now we're going to mix it. And the filling is ready for aloo ka paratha. We added 2 more tablespoons of oil because the consistency which I had made was actually wrong. Now she's making laddus of it.
Balls hai.
So this is the correct way of making it. What I did was completely wrong. I tried to follow a YouTube video. So this is how you are supposed to do it. She has become an expert over the years. Look at the way she's folding it. And that's how it is done, guys. इनके भी फट रहा है, ऐसा थोड़ी नहीं है मेरा ही फट रहा था. तो ये बन गया हमारा, क्या है बोलते इसको मम्मा? What do we say this? What does this called?
Parota.
Parota. Now I'm going to keep the tawa for heat and I'm going to pacify it. And this is the attempt what I have done, and it's filling come out completely.
The way
It's nice. So now the aloo ka paratha is ready. We can have it with our delicious curd and pickle, and let's eat.